What's going on YouTube? Back with another video here, and today we'll look at a new traffic source that gave me 59 opt-ins, possibly more. Some opted out last night, but I got this all last night from one traffic source. Excuse me, and that traffic source was Udimi. Okay, Udimi is a great traffic source to make money from. Okay, so Udimi, the short version is a solo ad vendors come here, and you can purchase clicks through their email list, and they'll send out your landing page, your offer to their list, and that's a way to make some money. The good thing about solo ads is these people on their list, their clients on their list are really warm traffic, so they're already used to getting money, make money online products and services to them, so they're used to seeing the types of advertisements. So the good news is you'll get one of their clients, and you could advertise to them as well. And this is a great form of traffic. And you see the prices on the side here: 39 cents, 59 cents, and this little green thumb means the reviews. Thumbs up he got 128 to -2. That's really low. This guy is a freaking monster. I mean, he has that one negative thing to say, that one thing negative people say about him. That's just sick. This guy has 3,000, double, triple what he has. We had 11 negative review, which is not even make a dent. This guy, he's brand new to the game. He's got 976 too. So you get different prices. The lowest I've seen is 33 to 35, 46. This guy's really good as well. So this is my latest one I bought here yesterday. 35 cents a click, and it says here. Let's go here. As you see the graphs here, how many I got. I have total 243 clicks, not counted 43 useless clicks, and they filter out the countries it came from and all that good stuff, and that caused me to get these many opt-ins here in fast. I ordered this last night. It came in last night. Woke in the morning with opt-ins in my list, and like I said, you could buy more. Here, hit buy more. My mouse will work. My computer will work. Oh no, I ain't trying to buy that now. I'm not trying to buy that now. Well, anyway, it's freezing up here. My computer's going really slow right now. Here we go. Let's take this out the cart because I don't want to buy that right now. So we're good. So go back to solo deals. Sorry for that. And then you click on someone. This guy is a monster. And you scroll down. You see his little reviews here, his stats, and you could come here. Now, if you don't have a text ad, you don't need one. He can give you one as well. All you have to do is get the landing page or the offer you're trying to promote. You put it here, and here's the visitors you want. Some vendors are minimum is 50 people. Some's 100. This case, this guy is 100, and you pay $62 for that. And you have filters here where you can read once you hover over. Top tier, 10 more cents, make it $72. Stuff like that, and just order what you want and add the cart. It's that simple. And then here the traffic comes from, some questions, and here's some reviews. And the reviews part, always look for sales, how many opt-ins somebody got. This person got 20 some opt-ins of 100 and got 2 registered, no sales yet, but very fast delivery time. Good run. Over 50 very active free associates added to my downline. Some will convert for sure highly. So these people are buying clicks, and then here's a good one. You saved me. You got a sale. Catch you soon. I give Daniel 10 out of 10. His leads are definitely convert. And I'm so impressed. I will renew my solo. So with solo ads, their traffic that they use is already warm traffic. So in a nutshell, once you start promoting them, it'll be easier to convert, and you get the email address, so you have them on your list, and you can promote to them as much as you want. So solo ads is a really good place to get traffic. I recommend it. Like I said, I got me these many opt-ins today. Some opted out, which is fine. If you add these two together, it's way more opt-ins that I actually got. Out of my calculator real quick. I got 83 opt-ins today, but 24, unsubscribed, which is fine. That's my first. I ain't bought this in a long time, and I use her right here. I use her right here, and she did pretty well. She was really fast, and here's my. You can put a text ad here. Here's my text ad I use for my solo ad. If you don't have one, don't worry about it. You don't need one because they'll do one for you. Here's, and her minimum is 100 as well. Some I've seen 50, but 100 visitors, you're paying 38 bucks. I mean, that's really cheap. I mean, you figure if when you work a full-time job, you get your paycheck. Okay, you pay your bills, save a little money, spend your $50 on a solo ad. You never know, it might make you a sale. Spend your $50, then you get 20, 30 people on your list, active subscribers to your list. You might promote to them a month from now, and you might make a sale on the back end. So this is a good way to get traffic. The traffic is not expensive. You can buy this once a week or twice a week, whatever you like, and continue to make the money and continue to build your business. Like I say, if you have a text ad, you click that and you put in your title here, and you put in your text ad here. If you don't have one, don't worry about it. Just the vendor will provide you one. And that's it for this review. I hope you like it. Again, the link to Udimi is in the description box below. If you use my link, and you get $5 free if you use my link. So that's a free $5. So if you buy a solo ad for 50 bucks, it's really 45 with my link. So the last one I showed you was hers is the lowest you have is 100. So you get $5 off, so it'll be $33. So you can't go wrong with that. So it's and Udemy does have $3 fee, but that's nothing. So pretty much, if you use my link, Udemy will waive the fee, and you get $5 off your solo ad. You buy one. So use my link below. If you want to learn how to make money online, if you don't know if you want a system that you can plug in, and I'm in this system that I'm using Udemy to get traffic to my system that will convert my customers, and I make high ticket commissions. If you want to join that program, you want to join me and make money online, click the link below. That has a 21-step system. It's 21-step system that will show you how to make money online in 21 steps. You also get I'll give you a one-on-one coach to help you and guide you through 21 steps. It's a one-time fee of $49. Not refundable. It's totally refundable if you don't like the product. Total refundable. Plug into the system. Use Udemy to buy traffic, once, twice a week, and start making them sales. Okay. So this is Tyrone from thexking.com. I'll see you next time.